Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to create passcode lock on Telegram. First you'll need to open your Telegram application. So this is our account. At the bottom we are going to click on the settings icon. Then let's click on privacy and security. Here we are going to create the passcode lock. Let's click there, it is off. Let's click on enable passcode. Then let's create like this one. So let me enter it 33. This one we have finished. Guys, that's how you can create the passcode lock on Telegram, and that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.